because we keep talking about ransomware. It should be distilled down
Sure.
to like
We'll
3
go with
points.
that. Yeah, you need the front end.
Yep.
You need to follow all those security best practices. Well, honestly, if you did nothing other than update your damn patches, you'd be better off. And if you had a backup and that one of those, at least one of the copies is offsite and air gap does not, it, and, and, and I don't care what your backup vendor is telling you, if it's in a box on a on-prem, that is not air gapped. I'm sorry. And they can come on here and argue with me if they want, because that box can be physically hacked and it can be remotely hacked.